Hello guys, in this video, we will explain how to reset the default calling application in our phone to the default settings. It is a very simple method. All you have to do is follow the steps mentioned in this video, but before broadcasting the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who does it. Now let's go through the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to the settings. Then go to the applications. Then go to the applications again. After that, you search for the calling application among the applications you have here or write in the application search engine. Write call management. If you do not find it, click on the dots that we have above, then click on show system processes. You will find the call management application because it is one of the default applications for the system. After that, click on it, then click on Clear Data. You will clear the data and nothing will be deleted for you. Thus, you will have been able to reset it to the default settings. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, any problems, any suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.